In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to separate personal and business in Monarch Money. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized view that keeps your personal spending distinct from your business finances, which makes budgeting, reporting, and tax time much easier. First, head to monarch.com and sign into your dashboard. This is your home base where all your accounts and transactions live. Take a second to let the page load completely so the navigation is ready. Next, open the Accounts area. This is where you manage everything connected to your money: bank accounts, cards, loans, investments, and any accounts you choose to track manually. Think of it as your master list, the place where your separation strategy begins. Now click Add Account. Monarch will offer options to connect a financial institution or to create an entry yourself. To keep things clearly separated, we're going to create a manual account. This is great for business accounts you prefer not to link, or for tracking assets and liabilities that aren't connected to a bank. Choose Add Manual Account. You'll see a simple setup form. Here, give the account a clear name that instantly tells you whether it's personal or business. A helpful tip is to use a prefix like business, checking, or personal savings. Choose the appropriate account type, such as checking, savings, credit card, or cash, and enter the current balance. If the account shouldn't affect your personal net worth, you can adjust those settings during setup. Keeping names and types consistent now will save you time later. When you're asked to designate the account, choose whether it's personal or business. This is the key to maintaining separation inside Monarch. If you have more than one business account, repeat the same pattern, same naming style, same clear labels, so your list stays tidy. For personal accounts, follow the same approach with a personal prefix. The goal is that, at a glance, you can distinguish business from personal without digging into details. After you save, you'll see the new accounts appear in your Accounts view. From here on, maintain the separation by adding new business accounts under the business label and personal accounts under the personal label. For manual accounts, remember to update balances regularly so reports and budgets stay accurate. Consistency is your best friend. Consistent names, consistent labels, and consistent updates. That's it. By going to Monarch, opening accounts, adding an account, choosing Add Manual Account, and clearly marking it as personal or business, you create a reliable structure that keeps your financial life organized and easy to manage.